Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit with Chase Bank. To set up direct deposit with Chase Bank, you need to give your employer or payment provider your Chase account information. Firstly, get your direct deposit information from Chase. Open the Chase mobile app. For signing into Chase online banking, select your checking account, tap account details, find your routing number or account number, and use this information on your employer's direct deposit form. You can also download a direct deposit form from Chase that includes your account details. And next is you need to set it up through your employer. Ask your employer for a direct deposit enrollment form or set it up through their payroll system. Enter your name, Chase account number, Chase routing number, account type, checking or savings, and submit the form to your employer and wait for the setup to process. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.